Hi student, today we'll learn 10th class progression chapter important questions. The question is find the 20th term from the end of the AP 3, 8, 13, 253. So 20th term, end of 20th term is a easy problem. You know AP means the first term A value equal to 3. Now we find a common difference D equal second term minus first term. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. In this problem, you can reverse order. The problem is in AP reverse order. You can write easily. You can find out the solution. 253. That 5 will subtract 248, 243 like that. Now here A value equal to 253 and B value equal to 248 minus 253 equal minus 5. D value equal to minus 5. You can take nth term of AB formula AN is equal A plus N minus 1 into D. Here N is equal to 20. Substitute the value. A value 253 plus N value 20 minus 1. D value minus 5. So 253 plus 20 minus 1 equal 19 of minus 5. 253 then plus into minus 95 are 95. So simply subtract 253 minus 95. 13 minus 5 equal to 8. Here 4 is there. Borrow 1. 14 minus 9 equal to 5. Then 1. That equal 158. Your A20 value.